Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here on a great video presentation for Avalanche price prediction on early January right here, 2024 guys. Speaking about a cryptocurrency which has been performing quite well in the last 7 days, obviously not outperforming the way some of the major altcoins did, but at the same time it's following the average numbers, which is something that during these days you also have to be satisfied as well, considering there is the alternative of lack of performance, which has been going around for so many cryptocurrencies out there in the past couple of weeks, which is why I'd like to tell you that you need to take everything that you receive, guys, and make sure you deal with that. So before we get into the topic, feel free to check out my YouTube presentations. There's many videos you can get inspired, especially the ones where I'm trading. There's also my live trade happening around $181,000 on the BTC. We're still having it. You can also check out the video on my channel about it at the time I've opened it. And by the way, if you want to be part of my trades, you can join my journal. Option number 1 is without any prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits made, completely outsourced and done for you. I'll talk about it at the end, folks. Just like about the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is looking to be serious about this crypto space and is aiming for financial freedom, then it's time to take this intensively into the one-on-one mentorship. I'd like to share that at the end. What's happening on the Avalanche will be something that I would like to speak about at the moment, sitting on $34, a level which is pretty much achieved after an uptrending movement. This uptrending movement has been predicted as soon as we have been retouching our previous resistance line. Coming from the top was sitting on $50, folks, and I was telling you that we are having a very difficult moment breaking out of that. We've been predicting $50 when we were trading around the 20s, $25 and so on. Speaking about it, we've been sort of a way triggered on a downtrend, which was kept under pressure by the resistance line from the top, and we successfully broke out on 10th of January right there. This breakout didn't last as we got into the resistance of the golden pocket of the structure, creating another momentum of a downtrend, which lasted quite long in terms of time, 12 days and 4 hours, down another 35%. So that was a big one. As well, if we measure from the top towards the lowest point, we are down 45% on this correction movement. You have been in a very absolutely necessary condition to recover. This recovery right now is having a different condition and a different meaning, considering we are above 2 different lines that are very important. So the number 1 key level is the horizontal line situated on $33, $34, and that's something that we used to call as a support in this scenario. Plus on top of that, there is our demand zone sitting on $32, coming from major points of the past that held the markets very well, and every single time we had a touch on that reacted extremely. So if the market are going to offer us a chance to deal with these 2 levels, we'll have to visualize for a possible entry or for a possible consolidation. Depends basically how you are aiming to position yourself in a trade. You would like to consolidate by adding more in terms of pushing an additional trade towards an existing one, or you were simply going to enter in a trade of Avalanche by having a great opportunity. Please keep in mind that all these key levels are having a potential probability rate. So that probability rate is always decided live when you see the markets and you have the closing of the candlesticks. You can basically define what's happening based on that, and if it's a dominance around it, then obviously you would like to take the trade if other things are going to be accomplished as well. Things that are, taught in the coaching program, things that I'm sharing with people in a very comprehensive way throughout our 10 lessons that I'm running one-on-one live with you. So what's happening basically, it is a target that we would like to hunt, and that target is going to be back into the golden pocket top, which is going to be on the $42. This encircle area can be put to the right side, and this is what we're looking for, basically working for. $42. In order to achieve that, you need a confirmed breakout above this specific area of the reversed golden pocket, which sits on 36.37. So get us above that, retrace, And the retracement must react with bullishness at the end of the day. It has to be great, pushing for $42 on the mark, which is also on the longer time frame HTF on the daily, a 1.618 extension of the Fibonacci. So the $42 will be a difficult task to get out of it without creating a proper structure before that. We're no longer speaking about the times when the market is just doing 20 to 30% pump every other day. We're already speaking about the times when the correction has appeared, and we're looking for the second round, which we cannot determine at the moment if it's about to break the top and continue above 50s, or simply find somewhere a lower high on the entire structure and then get stuck into a specific momentum of a downtrend. What matters right now is that Avalanche is definitely not sitting bad, it's not ugly, and it's portraying a movement towards the upside within the upcoming period of February. Beautiful. That's pretty much all, guys. Once again, if you'd like to be part of my trading, feel free to check out my trading journal. Option number 1 is without any prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits achieved. Simple, completely outsourced for you, completely done for you with API trading permission. At the same time, we have basically the one-on-one coaching. Now, this is very important only for the ones that are considering the crypto space as a possibility for financial freedom. So you want to check out the video which explains you how does it work. At the same time, feel free to reach out by register now and qualify for a free call with me where I can explain you even more. That's pretty much it on the topic, folks. I mean, enjoy, have a good look, and talk to you soon.